Cantara mobile apps provide efficient and usable interfaces for working with JDE Enterprise One. They run on Apple or Android devices, and they can be configured and customised to create the right tool for your team. To provide customers with an accelerated path to creating an app, Rinami has developed Cantara Mobile Modules. You can think of mobile modules as app building blocks. They provide task-based workflows that you can use to speed up the process of developing your Cantara app. Rinami has developed over 30 different mobile modules that JDE customers can use to work with their existing ERP systems. The range of modules includes work order management, inventory inquiry, safety checklists, cycle counts, purchase order approval, and other functions. You select the modules you need and combine them to create an app that suits your business. It's a quick way of combining well-defined components to produce a production-ready application. Each mobile module includes user interfaces and configurable logic. They're used by customers worldwide across a range of industries: mining, manufacturing, agribusiness, logistics. They're even used to maintain Google's data center equipment. So their design reflects a lot of practical experience, and they're very well tested. And even though they're pre-built, you can still change the color schemes, labels, and logos to reflect your enterprise. So let's take a look at a Cantara mobile module. Each of the currently available modules is described at rinami.com. Here's a description for the inventory inquiry module. It includes a list of key functions, interface screenshots, and detailed descriptions of the operations supported. The inventory inquiry module enables item searches using filters, displays stock on hand, as well as an image of the part. The module also lets you take a new photo for an item and uploads it to keep JDE records up to date. It also integrates barcode scanning and displays buttons for item issue and transfer functions. Rinami is able to take your chosen modules and build an app very quickly. However, if you want to build a Cantara mobile app yourself, Rinami provides an SDK that you can use to build the app. The SDK explains all the settings you'll need when you're setting up the app. We've included instructions and screenshots for both Android Developer Studio and Apple's Xcode. You'll also be able to view your app's log files remotely using the Cantara admin console. A number of options are available for managing the distribution of your app to users. Rinami can guide you or manage app distribution for you completely. Options include Google Play or Apple App Store, making the app available as either public or private for users to download and install. Mobile device management, where a business pushes the app to each registered user's device, or distribution of an installable release file. Like all Cantara mobile apps, a range of user authentication methods is supported, ensuring that your JDE data remains secure. Apps also support role-based security, so you can configure the actions that an individual user can perform and the data that they can access. You'll also get Cantara's offline capability as standard, which means your app will continue working even if you go out of network range. Your JDE data goes with you, securely stored on the device, and any transactions you make are locally stored too. Just synchronize them to JDE whenever you're back in an area with good reception. So Cantara mobile modules offer a comprehensive range of task-based functions, full integration with JDE, predefined screens and logic, streamlined workflows that are easy to use, and significantly reduced app development time. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us at rinami.com.